I received, and I don't even think I'm being dramatic, the best mystery style bundle that anyone has ever received. I feel like so many mystery style bundles are catered to like the Y2K aesthetic, which is like great for those girlies, but not for me, not like the other girls, because I want to look like a grandma who lives in the countryside and like reads all day on a wraparound porch and like bird watches, even though I would actually rather die than do that. That's what I want to look like I'm doing, okay? So needless to say, when I got a message on Instagram from this eBay/Depop seller whose @ is Unpocodetodo, her name is Beatriz, by the way. She's a total angel from our DMs. She randomly DM'd me and was like, hey, I would love to send you a few pieces if you want to send over like a Pinterest board of things you're interested in. So I did. These are the pictures that I sent over, by the way. I had high hopes just because her Instagram is so beautiful. And all the pieces that she'd curated before like she reached out to me were just like totally beautiful and kind of up my alley in like a grandma-core way and a cottagecore way. So I had very high hopes and she exceeded my high hopes. This box is fucking perfect and I'm so excited to show you what's inside. I'm gonna first do a little unboxing and then I'm gonna do like a try on it / styling portion of the video. Let's just get into it because I have had this box for a few weeks and I haven't been able to film this video and all of this stuff has just been in here. Also, if you're wondering why the box kind of looks like shit now, it's because it's just been in my closet like having stuff piled on top of it, but it didn't look like this when it showed up. Okay, I'm gonna shut the fuck up right now and get into the box. By the way, because receiving this box is the coolest I will ever feel in my life, I had to look at the stuff when it got here, so this isn't like a live reaction. I put everything back in the box as similarly as I could to when I first opened the box. Are you joking? Look how pretty this is. The first thing that really caught my attention when I initially opened the box was this absolutely darling mini tote bag that she had put a brooch on. This bag to me is, I feel like, what Vera Bradley wishes she was doing. No offense to Vera Bradley. Also, I just looked inside the bag and the inside has this similarly gorgeous pattern on the inside. I actually can't believe how cute this is. I feel like this would be so cute to like go get coffee in, or say I was like at a beach somewhere. This is like a cute little beach bag. I love this so much. Also, the brooch on it is absolutely gorgeous. I have no idea if this is focusing. I'm using a new camera right now, which is to say a camera instead of my phone. So forgive me if the quality in this is like iffy. You're probably not watching anymore if the quality's iffy. She also very sweetly sent me not only one handwritten card, but 2 handwritten cards. I feel like I'm not even being funny in this video. I'm just like so happy about this box. The second thing that really caught my attention when I first opened the box was this teddy bear tin. It's like glowing, and as it should. This teddy bear tin is everything I want my life to look like and more, which is to say it has teddy bears on it, and they're like grandparent core ass teddy bears. In the box, she had it a lot more cute than this when I first opened it, but she had this like tissue paper with this cute teapot sticker on it. And then inside the teddy bear tin, there are not 1, not 2, but 3 pairs of earrings and a necklace. You guys are not even ready for what was in the teddy bear tin. First of all, very appropriately, there were these teddy bear earrings. Are you fucking kidding me? I literally was like going to cry when I opened this box. This is so precious. And then you're thinking, well, it can't get any better than the teddy bear earrings, okay? It could, because I also got these silver toned bow earrings with like this pearl teardrop and this pink rose detailing. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? These are literally so precious. Also, I didn't know if my ears were still pierced, so I like stuck these through immediately, did not clean them, because I was curious, because I was like, these are so pretty, and lo and behold, my ears are still pierced. So thank fucking God, because I would go get them re-pierced just to wear these earrings. These are so cute. And then the last pair of earrings that were in the teddy bear tin are these absolutely adorable floral clip-on earrings. I'm in love. Literally name a cuter trio, I will wait. In the teddy bear tin, there was also a necklace. It came on this like necklace card, but I accidentally like broke it a little bit. It says, those who sow kindness gather love. The fact that this held this necklace, unbelievable. I can't believe how thoughtful this box is. Literally, it's been weeks since I received this box, and I wake up like every morning being like, I can't believe I received that box, holy shit. Like, I'm so excited to wear these finally. Needless to say, I'm filming this not only because I want to film this, but also because I'm like, I need to be able to wear these clothes. The necklace, by the way, looks like this. This is absolutely stunning and definitely a statement piece, but because it's two-toned, like it's just like the pearls and then the silver tone, I also feel like it's very wearable, although it is a statement necklace. Anything with multiple strands of pearls, like you have my attention. So after I opened the teddy bear tin, I was like, well, surely everything else in the box can't be this cute. But it literally is mystery bundle. I also received this skirt, which by the way, I'm so lacking in like statement skirts. So this patchwork pocket floral skirt is everything to me. It has an elastic waist, which is one of my favorite features in a piece of clothing because I love to be comfy. This is like a maxi length, which to me is perfect because I made a maxi skirt girl for the rest of my life forever. Listen, I think that mini skirts are cute, but I do not have the patience at this point in my life, parentheses in my old age at 26, I do not have the patience to wear a mini skirt. So maxi skirts and mini skirts are where it's at for me. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate the patchwork pocket detailing? Like if this isn't grandma core meets cottagecore, I don't know what is. Although I say that and I'm looking at other things in the box and I'm like, okay, no, that is grandma core and cottagecore. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at because I'm like, you have to see. Speaking of grandma core meets cottagecore, look at this, okay? Tell me that I don't look like the coolest person in the retirement home. No, really tell me. Look in my eyes and tell me that. I love this blouse so much. It has padded shoulders, which of course I love. It is a button up and you can't see the buttons behind the absolutely stunning and totally sweet floral embroidery going up the middle of this shirt. It's again the kind of thing that, although it is sort of a statement, would go with literally everything because it is at its essence like a plain button up in a way. I also received this absolutely darling blue floral skirt, which I think is from the 70s just based on the fabric and the feel of the fabric. Also, by the way, it's so lightweight, which I feel like is gonna be perfect in the summer. Anyway, so we have this gorgeous blue skirt, right? What if I told you, a little bit closer, what if I told you that there is a matching top, which makes it a set? The skirt is also elastic and then it has this gorgeous like pink ribbon tie on the inside so you can adjust the fit of the waist. I'm so happy. So when Beatriz reached out, she was like, if you don't like it, you don't even have to post about it. How could I not post about this? This is so fucking perfect. Also, Beatriz told me that this was her first time doing a mystery style bundle, which is shocking to me considering I feel like she looked into my soul, saw who I really was, and then like made these perfect pieces materialize. Anyway, before I get too sidetracked, moving on, we have 4 things left in the mystery box and then I'm gonna do a styling / try on portion of the video. The next thing that I received is this absolutely darling floral pink lacy camisole. In addition to being so dainty and stunning, I also feel like this would just be like the perfect thing to wear when it's like 90 degrees and you like want to take off your skin because it's so hot outside. This is going to be my go-to. The third to last thing is this absolutely stunning. I can't believe that this is even in the box. This is so pretty. It is this butter yellow maxi with like this empire. Is that an empire waist? Wait, I'm so dumb. Okay, great. It is an empire waist. This butter yellow maxi dress with this empire waist and this like ruffle detailing at the bottom. Have you ever seen something more precious in your life? Because I certainly haven't. This is so soft. Like I feel like I could wear this to sleep. It's so soft. For the last year or so, I've been obsessed with butter yellow. I feel like you could also just style this so many ways. Like you could wear it with like a strappy pair of heels for the summer and it would be cute, or like going into like spring or fall, like you could wear it with like a denim jacket or like a little cardigan. Beatriz, the seller and owner of Unpocodetodo, is actually, in the true sense of the word, a genius, and you need to go check her out before I continue any further. Pausing so you can go do that. Okay, I'm gonna continue. The second to last thing that I got, I have actually no words for, but I'm gonna have to generate some because I love this dress. Cotton floral like tea dress, lace detailing in the middle. Are you joking with this? Also, it obviously has a belt to match. Are you kidding? This is so stunning. Oh my god. The outfit that comes to mind when I picture this is like a black pair of Mary Janes with like white frilly socks and like a basket bag. Are you actually joking? Also, obviously bows in my hair when I'm wearing this. Oh my god. J'adore. Before I do the try on / styling portion of this video, I wanted to show you the last thing, which is my favorite thing, and it is this absolutely gorgeous Alfred Dunner beaded sweater. Are you joking with how pretty this is? Like this actually could go with everything in my wardrobe. Also, because it's like a lightweight sweater, it's like the perfect transitional piece from winter to spring. Anyway, I feel like I kind of rushed through the end of the unboxing, but I'm just so excited to do the styling portion of this video. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, so obviously when I was unboxing everything, I knew that she did an absolutely amazing job, but when I was trying everything on, I was like, wow, I know that she did a really good job because everything that she gave me goes with so many things that I already own. Also, can I just say it was so fun to try all of this on. Like, I felt like I was doing my own little fashion show because I guess I am, but I felt so girly in all of these pieces. Anyway, moving on to the clothing portion of the try-on, I paired this skirt with this lace-made top that I got a few weeks ago, which I featured in a haul recently. And then for the grandma shirt, I paired it with this yellow pleated skirt and these shoes that I DIY'd. Then for this set, I paired it with this denim jacket. Also, it should go without saying, I think, but all of these outfits I paired with Mary Jane's, I just think that they're the perfect shoe for obvious reasons. Also, I'm so obsessed with how this camisole looks with this skirt. And then moving on to the butter yellow dress, I paired it with this locket, which I love the look of how these two look together. Also, when I was trying on this tea dress, I was so nervous that it wasn't going to fit me because the sleeves were like a tiny bit tight and the waist looked really small, but luckily the waist had elastic in it, so it did fit me. This dress makes me feel so darling. I can't believe it. And then finally for the sweater, I paired it with these two skirts. One of them was like an underskirt and then the top skirt was like a lace skirt.
I don't even know if I can adequately like put into words how grateful I am to have received this gorgeously curated and also just like totally personalized box of vintage like cottagecore and grandma core clothing and accessories in my fucking size. What the fuck? Like, I feel so grateful and I don't know if I'll ever be able to do that justice. Thank you so much to Beatriz, the seller who curated all of these. Actually in such a good mood right now, partially because I'm just thinking about this box and also because I'm like, oh my god, now I can wear all of these things because I did the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.